Les gars, bah finalement, je vais continuer un petit peu. Allez, God of War Ragnarok. On va continuer un petit peu. Pas très longtemps, une petite vingtaine de minutes. Puis après, je mettrai une coupure sûrement. Et on reprendra ce soir. Enfin, ce soir, il y a le live de Silent Hill 2. Donc on verra. On reprendra ça tranquillement. Soit ce soir, après la Silent Hill, ou soit demain. Enfin, on verra. Bon, c'est parti. On était au boss.
Your shield's busted, brother. Just keep your feet moving, yeah?
Je sais pas comment c'est le genre donc. Peut-être dans paramètres. Bon, je vais reprendre la manette, ce sera plus simple. Qu'est-ce qui se passe quand je fais une frappe légère avec la glace? Ok, ça glace pas.
I just bloody tears it. Fimbulwinter's there, the raiders, Stornodin barging in, and now stalkers spraying in our woods. This is no safe haven anymore.
Les gemmes d'attaque runique donnent accès à des attaques spéciales rapides ou puissantes. Elles s'insèrent dans les emplacements des armes de Kratos. Mais je crois en plus dans celui-là du coup, dans Ragnarok, il y a une nouvelle arme, mais je l'ai pas encore trouvé du coup. Mais je pense qu'il y a une nouvelle arme dans celui-là. Ok, afficher la hache. Équipé de la hache. Ok. D'accord. Hop. Hop. Un petit instant, juste regarder un truc. Franck. Je crois pas, je crois que c'est la lance des Valkyries, je crois que c'est, mais je crois pas que c'est entre guillemets rapidement, je crois que c'est un peu plus tard dans le jeu. Je crois qu'en nouvelle arme, il y a que celle-là malheureusement. Enfin malheureusement ou heureusement. Hein.
Father, the shield Mom gave you.
Thor damaged it. But now,
Perhaps the dwarves could take a look at it.
perhaps, later.
Come on, we can get in this way.
Ah ouais, les nains ils sont trop
Why
forts.
are we here,
Ils vont
Atreus?
peut-être pouvoir réparer tout ça.
Okay. You remember all those shrines we found, telling the stories of giants? The panel on the left would be their origin, and the panel on the right would be their fate.
Yes. You found many. I have seen them.
Well, there's more to them than we realized.
Y'avait rien d'autre à faire? Ah si, ok, le trésor à là. Oula, il va y avoir du fight ici.
Well, the collapsed pillar is new, but the shrine is just on the other side.
Ah, faut peut-être d'abord péter l'arbre, ouais. Hop,
That should help.
et là... Allez.
There we go. Come on.
Et ça va, Franck, t'entends... Le son est bon, t'entends bien le son du jeu? Ça va, ma voix est pas trop faible ou quoi par rapport au son du live, c'est bien comme ça?
You watching?
My bad pour les bruits de ma chaise, faut vraiment que je la change.
Well, that's new.
Come on.
Atreus! Wait!
Yeah, I don't think he's waiting.
Oh, c'est beau!
What is this, lad? Where are we?
Somewhere only giants were meant to see. These shrines tell their stories to the world. But it turns out the real stories, the secret stories, those they kept here, inside. You remember the story of Skull and Hati? The wolf giants? Odin captured them because he thinks it'll help him control when Ragnarok starts.
I remember.
But that's not the whole story. See, this shows the giants setting Skull and Hati free.
They're free. Is this the past or the future?
Depends when you're looking at it.
Spoken like a giant.
See? The wolves are safe. Somewhere in Vanaheim.
Not the first place
On
Odin
dirait un
would look,
peu,
I suppose.
là comme c'est bien, on dirait un peu un délire égyptien.
There they are, chasing the sun and moon.
Old habits.
Until, look, the moon gets stolen. Somehow.
Atreus.
See? Hati's got nothing to chase.
And they say celestial theft is a victimless crime.
Not totally sure who this is, but someone comes along and rescues the moon. And then, the moon blocks out the sun.
A total eclipse. Haven't seen one of those in 100 winters.
But then they chase an arrow, and things go back to normal.
What does any of this have to do
We're
with...
coming to that. Look, here's Ragnarok. Do you see who's leading the armies against Odin? That's Tyr. If he's gonna be around at Ragnarok, that means he's gotta be alive. Right?
Mimir, can this be?
Odin told me he killed Tyr, and he trusted me at the time, or so I thought.
What if he didn't kill him? What if he's just had him locked up somewhere all this time?
We are back to ifs. Enough.
Wait,
We are going home.
wait! I have one more thing to show you. It's just out here.
Ah ouais non, le jeu sur le PC il tourne trop
What is
bien
this?
par contre. Hein. Il est
Everything I
magnifique, hein,
found.
pas de bug, hyper
Well,
fluide.
almost everything.
C'est plus fluide que Silent Hill bizarrement, alors que c'est un plus gros jeu.
That's giant craftsmanship. You've been to Jotunheim again?
No, I found it in one of the other shrines.
Other shrines. How many have you visited?
Well, all of them? All the ones I could still get to in Midgard anyway. I don't know what it is, but it's important. Just like all this. When I was inside one of the shrines, I saw an image of Tyr imprisoned, but I couldn't tell where. There are hints inside the other shrines. You mention black smoke and the bleeding earth, but we can never figure out exactly.
We.
Yeah, Sindri's been helping me. Look, I talked him into it. It wasn't his
Il sert
idea.
son point là.
I just
Le
needed
daron,
someone to watch my
il sert
back.
le point. Calme-toi, Kratos, calme-toi.
Black smoke. Bleeding earth. Could the prison be in Muspelheim?
Unlikely. Odin's got no presence to speak of in the primordial realms. But the Bleeding Earth? Sounds like a mine, aye.
The realm of the dwarves, perhaps.
Svartalfheim, that's a good bet. Their mines did belch black smoke, and Odin's had his thumb on the dwarves for a very long time.
That's it then. Tyr's in Svartalfheim somewhere, imprisoned in a mine. So, what now?
Home.
Tu casses l'ambiance, Kratos.
This way.
Lad, even if we consider looking for Tyr, how do you have us getting to Svartalfheim? You know Odin's had all travel between realms locked up tight.
Sindri said he had an idea or two about that.
Sindri is full of ideas.
Huh. Ground looks kind of cracked there. What's under there, you think?
Ah, back to smashing through things for fun and profit. Lovely.
Mimir, what did you hear of Odin's offer?
To the lad? Not much. They stepped outside. But he told us about it. I wouldn't worry.
What about the things he did not tell us?
Remember when we fought our first troll out this way?
I remember you lost control.
We must tread carefully, brother. Danger is close.
You okay fighting without a shield?
It is not my first time.
Ah bah ouais, du coup je peux plus utiliser mon chien.
Nista!
Brother, there's no blocking without your shield.
Ah.
Phew! Almost home.
Brother, a word. Don't hold the lad's curiosity against him. It goes with being young.
In my youth, we learned obedience.
And is that what you wish for him? Brother, he's going to walk his own path. If you don't want him walking away from you, then smarten up and walk with him a while.
If we could find a way to open roam travel to Svartalfheim, bet there'd be all
Vous
sorts
sentez
of
les gars le
cool
combat là?
stuff for us to do.
Enough. We will
Ça
go.
pue le combat par ici.
But if we do not find Tyr, you will abandon your search.
Vraiment vite.
For good.
All right. You won't be sorry.
Ah bah non, ça veut pas sentir le combat, ils sont rentrés chez eux, my bad.
Over here! Sindri!
As I live and breathe, is that Atreus? It's been so long. How you've grown.
Oh, yeah.
Well, if you'll follow me, Brock mentioned you needed somewhere safe to spend the night, and I believe your favorite dwarves can help you out with that. We're still your favorite dwarves, right?
You're still the only dwarves we know.
I'll take it. After you, my friends.
Where are we going?
The cleanest cabin in all the 9 realms. And I'd prefer it to stay that way. Not looking at anyone in particular. Kratos. After that Thor incident, we thought we should make up some rooms, till you can figure out your next moves. Nearly there. As you can see, we've settled here in the realm between realms. It's nothing much, but it's safe from Fimbulwinter, safe from Odin's eyes. And you really can't beat the view if you're into shimmering gray voids.
That's amazing, Sin. We have a plan to talk to you about, actually.
Intriguing. Come in. Come in! Now, if you would just wipe your feet very thoroughly, I'll wait. You're not gonna wipe your feet, are you? Okay then. Your bedrooms are there, the kitchen is just over there. Anybody need a snack? Kratos? Snack?
I do not need a snack.
What we need is your help getting to Svartalfheim so we can try and rescue Tyr.
To Tyr. Alive? I mean, that's... What?
It's okay. I told him everything.
Everything?
You aided my son in disobeying me.
No, I kept an eye on him. On your behalf. Nothing risky. Everything very safe.
Pardon, je sais pas, vous avez pas entendu, mais j'étais en train de boire.
What's important right now is that we try and open up travel between realms again. You said you know a way?
Yes, I do. It's just a lot of mud.
Then why haven't you opened the way already, man?
Well, to be frank, there was something I needed your help with.
Oh! The Holder brothers finally require the services of the smartest man alive.
That's it precisely.
Hey! Not so fast. How'd that get in here? What the hell is it anyway?
That is my son.
Well, what in all yarns me the happened to him? He's too damn tall now. And he looks like... that. I blame you. Well, come on then. Let's get him something that fits at least.
He's just getting older, you dark prat. Didn't you ever have an awkward phase in your youth?
Hey,
I suppose what's done is done. But you'll be putting your foot down from now on if you know what's good.
Oh, he's trying. Believe me.
All right, let's gear you fuckers up before you go off gallivanting.
Begin with this.
Busted up good. Wouldn't you rather I just whip you up a new one?
It is important to me.
Well, I'll see what I can do. In the meanwhile, how about I fix you up with something to get you by?
Bienvenue dans l'atelier des frères Uldre. Fabriquer et améliorer des armures, accessoires, d'armes et autres objets avec des ressources collectées. Parcours les différents services de l'atelier grâce à la barre de navigation en bas de l'écran. Broquer assez de matériaux pour forger un nouveau bouclier. Appuyez sur flèche du bas pour accéder au menu bouclier.
I only got materials to make one of these in the here and now. You bring me more resources, we'll see what we can do.
Oh, j'ai bien envie de tenter celui avec les parades risquées, ouais, c'est plus sympa, c'est plus challenge.
If the kid's gonna insist on getting taller, best make a habit of swinging in for new duds. some items you left behind. Tossed them in the chest. What would you do without me?
I'm gonna go look around. Check out my room. Tell Sindri when you're ready. This place is great, Sindri. You built it all yourself?
You know it.
How do we unlock the realms?
We'll just need something from back at the workshop. Follow me, and be sure to bring the head. So, where exactly is Tyr being held?
He is imprisoned in a mine somewhere. That's all we know so far.
The realm is full of mines, you realize. You'll need help narrowing it down. Oh! You should talk to Durlin.
Who's Darlin?
He's a cousin of ours. Sort of. Works for the city on safety issues. Should have access to all kinds of information on mines. And I know he's no friend of Odin. That's why your mother sought his help when she was trying to whip up a rebellion. Ready?
A rebellion? Did you know about that?
I did not.
A rebel leader who knew
Ta-da!
Mom. Sounds like exactly what we need.
I think
Mais oui, vraiment. Mais c'est trop bizarre, Franck, parce qu'en fait, là, je pensais que tu répondais pas au message, mais c'est juste en fait que. Allez. C'est que sur le téléphone, du coup, les messages, ils se sont pas affichés. Du coup, je pensais que tu m'avais pas entendu quand je te disais que c'était. Allez, que si c'était bon et tout ça. Ouais, de toute façon, Brock, il est con. Hein, déjà, dans le 1, il était con. Enfin, il est super malin, mais bon, il réfléchit pas beaucoup. Mais je me disais, il me reste une. En gros, j'ai une télé, tu vois. J'ai une télé dans la maison qui est à côté. Si, genre, j'essaie de la brancher en HDMI juste pour avoir le chat, tu vois, et tout ça, mes widgets et tout ça, c'est faisable avec une télé aussi ou il faut vraiment un écran PC? Attends, c'est plus simple si je fais ça déjà.
J'ai l'impression d'être un flic qui s'amuse avec un taser. C'est marrant.
Ouais. Ouais.
Ouais.
L'équipe,
Ouais.
on arrive, on est là, chargé, calibré.
Coco, Matas m'a offert Baldur's Gate.
Mais t'aimeras pas?
T'as dit quoi?
T'aimeras pas?
On verra. Moi, je
Tant
vois
qu'il a
rien
pas
aussi,
essayé,
moi.
on peut pas dire si il aime pas.
Attends, tu lui as payé combien, Baldur's Gate, Matas?
70 balles.
Ah oui, tu lui as offert comme ça, comme ça?
Ah oui, non mais ça comme. Par pur plaisir de.
Non, ça me dérange pas de.
T'es parti faire quoi, Coco?
Mon live.
On sait jamais.
Ah, t'es encore. Pourquoi tu kills le.
Parce que comme ça, je suis sûr qu'il n'y a pas de problème qu'on vous entende ou quoi, tu vois. Ça, je suis tranquille avec le truc, je peux faire ça vite, je reviens quand j'ai fini.
Ça va, t'as eu des gens?
Des gens, j'en ai pas eu tant que ça. J'ai eu Mad à un moment, j'ai eu Franck, je pense avoir eu une autre personne à un moment.
Mr. Ta-da! Well, never mind. I'll have this oiled up in no time. Meet you at the gateway outside.
Rebel leader, Durlin?
Mais comme ça, je suis bien, entre
If
guillemets,
that ain't
focus
giving a
sur ce que
hound
je
a
fais, quoi, tu vois.
Huh?
And you just remember things however they pop into your being, don't you? I suppose you think Durlin's
un
just
vol.
counting the
Vol,
days
papillon.
until a couple of strays show up looking
Vol.
for trouble.
What do you mean, Brock?
Will he help us or not?
Bon,
No,
Renaissant.
moi j'ai arrêté un petit peu, je vais regarder 2-3 trucs. Mais Franck,
Bye bye.
Franck, tu n'es point là?
Franck, ça fait un moment qu'il parle plus.
Oui,
Ah, t'es là, t'es là.
C'est bon, il est là.
Mais l'HDMI, il faut aussi que je le branche sur la carte graphique. L'autre HDMI.
ça dépend si ton processeur il peut afficher. Je sais pas ce que c'est ton processeur donc je sais
Mon
pas.
processeur, c'est un Intel 5200, je crois.
12 000 plutôt.
Ouais, 12 000, ouais.
Mhm.
Attends. Bon, on
Mais
verra
déjà, je
ça
regardais
après
si-
si tu veux.
Bah là, j'ai arrêté le
Ou
live.
comme tu veux.
Je vais arrêter. Là, je vais arrêter le live là pour.